Hey everyone, Leo here, founder of Lion Paper Products. I've spent over 20 years in notebook manufacturing and export, and today I want to help buyers answer one question. Which certifications actually de-risk your purchase? And how do you use them to speed onboarding and protect your brand? Let's get straight to the point. 1. The must-have stack, ranked by buyer impact. ISO 9001. Quality management. This is your consistency engine. It reduces defects and returns because the factory controls processes, not just results. What to check? In-process checkpoints, car closure times, and a 12-month defect trend. If they can't show that data, they're guessing. FSC, responsible fiber. For paper goods, FSC is the ticket to EU-US retail acceptance. It lowers sustainability friction at onboarding. What to check? KOC scope, site validity, and the chain of custody for your actual paper grades. BSCI, SEDEX SMETA, social and ethics. This helps you pass retailer factory gates and avoid reputational risk. What to check? Latest findings on hours, pay, safety, environment, and proof that corrective actions were closed. CPSIA, Prop 65. REACH, chemical safety. Mandatory when you're selling kids' items in California or the EU. What to check? Accredited lab reports tied to your batch, material color, not a generic template. Gatekeepers to note. Disney Pharma, GSV, SQP. You'll see these in licensing, security, and major retail onboarding. 2. The measurable gains. Why buyers should care. Onboarding speed. With ISO FSC SMETA, we routinely cut 1 to 3 weeks from internal compliance. Risk down, fewer recalls, penalties, and PR issues. Negotiation power. Meet the retailer checklist once, avoid repeat audits. ESG delivery. A verifiable evidence chain for board and annual reporting. 3. Your procurement to-do list. Copy this into your RFQ. Docs, certificates with scope or site expiry. Plus, last 12-month audit summaries and CAPA proof. Data, OTIF, PPM return rate, average car days, last 3 mass lot QC pass rates. Samples, target materials, finishes, lamination, foil, binding with same batch chemical reports. Commitments, written change control for paper, ink, binding, outsourcing, plus 24-hour CAPA on exceptions. If a supplier can deliver this packet cleanly, your onboarding flies. 4. Red flags, slow down or walk away. Expired certs, wrong site/scope, or missing covered processes, e.g., outsourced lamination/foil not included. Generic chemical reports not tied to batch/material/color. Only final inspection, no in-process QC. Repeated nonconformities with no closure evidence. 5. 3 sets that cover 80% of cases. ISO 9001 plus FSC plus SMETA, General EU/US Stationery and AMP, Gifting Retail. ISO 9001 plus REACH/Prop 65 plus SMETA, Higher Chemical Risk Covers, Inks Adhesives. FSC plus CPSIA plus SMETA, school/children's items and California sales. Pick the set that maps to your channel and product exposure. 6. Bottom line. Certificates are assurance, not immunity. Anchor your buy on the right stack, validate with data plus pilot runs, and lock change control and AMP, CAPA into your contract. That's how you build a supply chain that's scalable, auditable, and low risk. If you want a ready-to-use supplier compliance checklist, the scored template we give our retail partners, reach out and I'll share it. At Lion Paper Products, we help buyers de-risk sourcing for notebooks, planners, journals, and packaging from certification stack to execution on the line. Let's talk about your next program.